I didn't know if any of you had seen this or not, but I know many, many years ago in Air Force survival training, they taught you how to take a pair of pants and make a backpack out of it. So basically what you do is you take the belt or piece of rope and you scrunch up the waist area to make the bottom of your backpack. Now you can use a belt to do it. I would take a piece of string or paracord and do it because you can get it much tighter. Then what you do is you're looking at the back end of the backpack. So what you would do is this part would go over your shoulder. This would come down your front to your waist, and then you would tie it to one of the belt loops on the back. So when you were wearing your backpack, this is how it would look on you. So if I was looking at you, this is how your backpack would look. These would be your shoulder harnesses. And then you could adjust these strings for whatever height you were, where you wanted your backpack to fit. So this is an example of the poor man's backpack. Now, the other way you could go about doing this is you could make this a sling pack where you would sling it over your neck and one shoulder. So instead of tying your loops like this, you would just tie your two legs together like this, and this would go over your shoulder, and you would look like a Civil War soldier. So you can take any old pair of pants and make a backpack. So if you're traveling somewhere and you don't have a bug out bag, or you own an aircraft, you can take any pair of pants and make a backpack or a side sling pack out of it. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.